Hi guys, I hope you are well. I hope that you are doing okay. It is fucking hot here. Anyway, um this is my introduction for my 21 experiment that I want to do with my mental diet, and that is implementing the following things by uh be less on social media, meaning not to reduce my intake on anything social like YouTube and music, Instagram, WhatsApp, watching series, watching movies, and all of that for the next few days, 21 days. I wanted to do it for 7 days. However, I figured that the best way to break a habit and to really truly see some evidence if this is going to make any difference with my mental diet, and also remember my YouTube channel is about connecting with your higher self, your higher God self, and um, connecting with your inner thoughts and feelings more, and be more connected with yourself, and to not necessarily to manifest better, but to see if it makes a difference in the manifestation, if you impress your subconscious with your new impression, or if your identity shift and you are more grounded with your foundation and all of that, if it makes a difference with the manifestation as well. But the core idea of doing the mental diet is to really get calm with my inner thoughts and with my emotions, because let's face it, if we are consuming too much information and things, that we have the tendency to not hold tension. We don't have the attention that we can hold for longer than a minute or two. So the idea is to actually see if I can less the mental chatter, because I have a very good focus and I am very, very good to um, keep my mind focused on a specific. But with that as well, if I'm very overstimulated and um, I start to overthink because my emotions and my thoughts are not coherent with each other, I can spiral in the opposite way. So, as good as I can focus, I can also think about millions of things in seconds, and it is very difficult to hold my attention in one specific because of that. So I want to invite you for the following 21 days to also join me by doing the same. And I understand it's going to be very difficult, because the thing is, we cannot 100% just let go of technology, because we need to connect with each other telephonically and on WhatsApp. And the thing is, my work that I'm doing is very technology based, because I'm a claims consultant. And the thing is, I am on my PC 8 hours of the day. But the intention is to really just be disciplined enough to reduce the intake, so that I can see if there is an inner shift or inner identity shift, that I get to that point. With that, I'm also going to do a mental diet with doing no manifestation related techniques, and that means that I'm not going to set an intention towards a specific manifestation whatsoever for the next 21 days, meaning I'm not going to consciously set any attention to manifest any specific. The only thing that I'm going to do is I am going to sit with my thoughts and my feelings without any judgment, without any assumptions about it. I'm just going to let it be there and let it go. Let it be there, let it go. And with that, I'm not going to take any unnecessary content. Now, keep in mind, it is probably not going to be that very easy. Maybe 7 days is the best thing to do at first, but the thing is, I want to see if it can actually make a very good difference and shift, and if I can shift my identity with this challenge in this experiment for the next 21 days. And that means no social media, no content intake, no music, no videos or movies or series, but really just to become one with myself and just give myself some time, maybe for a half an hour each day, in the end of the day, just to connect with the people that I love and with my kids in the end of the day, just to let them know I'm okay and ask them if they are okay, and then nothing, and just being present and go to the basics basically, and become just more present with being present and not consuming anything, except if it's work related. Obviously I can't choose that. If I could, I would have definitely booked myself into a resort and to see if that is actually going to make a difference. But this is to really reset my mind and my consciousness, and to see if I can reset my foundation and my identity to a neutral place, and to start to build from there on. So I don't know what is going to happen. So each and every day I'm going to take a video about what I am experiencing and what I went through, and if anything extraordinary or ordinary or nothing happened during that day, what I had experiencing with my thoughts and my feelings, how I felt, how I've slept, and all of that. And if there was any significant difference according to my manifestation journey with the impression that I've done beforehand, and if I've experienced anything change or happen during this next 21 days. So if you want to and you would like to, you are more than welcome to join me on this experiment for 21 days and see if that makes a difference to yourself as well. The goal and the idea is to really just become still, connect with your higher self, your God state, and with your thoughts and feelings, and become into that and get into that neutral, natural state without any assumptions or any labeling or giving it any meaning, and just let your thoughts and feelings be there without judgment, and let it be and let it go. With that, also not to consume any unnecessary things that can influence or pollute your mental diet, because in the end of the day, we are what we consume. The same with food, you are what you eat. So, and obviously that is also maybe probably a limiting belief that is not necessarily a truth, but for the purpose of the manifestation and because of my identity shift, to see if it can make any different or significant difference according to manifestation, mental diet, and with my subconscious mind, and if I can hold an intention, impress my subconscious afterwards, after the 21 days, if I can experience something, if I can impress my subconscious in that 21 days after that meaning After the 21 days, if I can impress my subconscious mind much easier with the imaginal act or scripting or visualizing or assumptions to see if it can actually make a difference into my conscious manifestation journey. But with that, also to shift my identity and my self concept much easier because of that natural neutral state I am in. So let's have fun and see how it's going to go. And maybe there is going to be extraordinary stories going to happen in the next 21 days. Who knows? All right, guys, love you and see you again.